Hello! Today I'm gonna show you the things I have bought for the jet ski. Of course, it's mostly some things you need to buy. I'm gonna start with the basics, vest, t-shirts, some other things, some cover. We're gonna go through it all. So let's start with the vests. This being a 3-person jet ski. It does not show so, but it is a 3-person jet ski. I bought 1, 2, and 3 vests, which are very nice, by the way. And then I bought 2 t-shirts that I know, like for the UAV protection, all of those types of things. And they are very nice. I wanted to show you one, so you guys see pretty much this. Tight. What else did I bought? So I bought a cover for the jet ski. It's not opened yet. I have not yet seen if it's good or not, but I have opened because at the moment she's without cover. So let's take this off real quick. What else did I buy? So I bought this kit for, I don't know the name of this, hose clamps, because there's a lot of hoses down there and some of them need a bit clamping, and zip ties are good, but I'm a bit more happy with this, and some zip ties as well. I bought also 4 spark plugs, NKX spark plugs, but they are already inside here. This only has 3 pistons, so it only needs 3 spark plugs, but I decided to buy one more in case one of the other fails. Just I got a replacement. The old ones are good, but I was not too comfortable with that. I also bought a fire extinguisher, so which is, I don't know how to take this out. If you do like, I don't know. Hopefully I don't need it. Hopefully. I bought 2 shoes for the water, because the lake I go, it's a bit rough on the sand, so some rocks and some types of that. So I bought this because I'm a bitch. I bought some walkie-talkies, 10 kilometers walkie-talkies. I don't know if they are actually that rated because it's gonna be underwater. I don't know if they're gonna go for 10 kilometers, but if they go like 5 kilometers, 5 kgs, I'm good. I'm actually very good. I'll put here what's 10 kilometers in miles for my Liberty units. I decided to buy a jerry can because she's a bit of a thirsty girl, and I'm not gonna go back and get fuel with her and put her on the trolley, and so I decided to basically get one of this. It's very good. It was a bit expensive, 25 euros for a 20-liter one, but it is good. You get this little hose, you can attach it back, and then you do this. It's good. It's good. It's well, it was expensive, but what isn't expensive these days? What more did I buy? I bought this. This is like in case I get stranded on the jet ski and I do this. I don't know if it's a good idea, but I bought it. Doesn't matter right now. I bought a waterproof flashlight in case I get stranded at night. The new tags for the bike, because the old ones are not hers anymore. I need to take those off and put this one. I bought an anchor, a big ass anchor. It's not that good on anything. It's just I need an anchor to when I stop on the water or when I stop on shore. She always needs to be anchored. So okay. I bought another battery because the old one, this one was shit. I bought a multimeter because to see if all the connections are working right or good. I bought a pressure compression tester, 20 euros for this, but I needed to see. Don't buy the bike without testing this or without going it for what. Don't do it like me. What more did I buy? Some more rope. What do I have here? Some shit like this. I don't know the name of this. Waterproof notebook and a waterproof pen, which is somewhere around here. Yeah, exactly. I bought a knife. You needed to have a rounded tip knife, but I could not find it for my life. So yeah, I bought this one. That's a lie. I could have found it, but it was so expensive, man. It was like 30 euros when this was like 2 euros. Come on now. Let's be real for a second. The first aid kit is, you know, as normal as one can be. There's a whistle. Lovely. It works. But I also can. The fuck? Whoa. What? Oh, don't. I also can whistle. It was a bit stuck in me. Some, you know, bandages, some I don't know, first aid kit type of shit. I don't know the name in English. Some scissors, you know, it's good. You never know when you need it. And what more did I buy? Oh, I forgot. I bought this as well. I bought a self ratchet. I don't know the name. So, you know, it's a bit easier to have the bike clamped to the trailer. I need to fix this because it's not as good as I want it to be, but you know, it's the best I can do it. Yeah, that was all of my expenses. I think I'm gonna try and put all the money I spent on things so you guys have a clear idea how much money I'm spending. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Fucking hell. See you later, alligator. Real quick, I forgot. If any of you have like an idea of something I am missing and I should buy, please tell me, because I want to get things right. So if I'm missing something, tell me. Please don't suggest a flare. My brother told me that. That's kind of too much, I think. Okay.